Hello everyone and welcome back to Becky Cooks. So today we are going to be making my favorite drinks or two of my favorite drinks. So we are going to be making the Zobo drink first, and with that we are going to be needing very ripe big pineapple. So you are going to peel the pineapple, set the skin aside, wash it thoroughly because you are going to be using the peel to boil the Zobo, and then you juice the main pineapple. So that's why we are beginning with it first. That's the first step. And this is our Zobo. I bought the one that is the one that is a bit powdery. I don't know how to describe it. There are two types. You see this one that is a bit broken, and you see the ones that are big. So it's better to buy this one because it will yield more Zobo juice than the big ones. So after that, you just add enough water and rinse it. You are not washing it, so just to rinse and remove any dirt that may be inside. The dirt will settle at the bottom. So gradually scoop the Zobo, leaving the dirt behind. Any particles that may settle underneath. So this is what we removed. I'm going to throw away. Then you transfer your clean Zobo leaves into a large pot, any pot that you prefer, and add enough water. Then you add in your pineapple peels. Adding the pineapple peels will extract the flavor from the pineapple into the Zobo. So it will add to the sweetness of the Zobo. So I added little clove and grated ginger. Add as much ginger as you want it to be, maybe spicy, or if you want the ginger to be prominent inside. So to our pineapple, I'm adding dates. I already soaked the dates overnight and I removed the seeds. So I'm going to blend this, and after blending it, I'll extract the juice. At this stage, I felt like drinking the pineapple juice because it was so sweet. Imagine pineapple mixed with dates, the sweetness. So if you want depending on the quantity of Zobo you are using, you will need more of pineapple and dates. So you extract the juice and then you set that aside. So this is pineapple concentrate. So this is the Zobo already cooled down after boiling. So it's time to sieve. So I sieved it I just poured it into the sieving cloth. Then the chaff, I extracted more of the Zobo juice from inside by adding a little bit of water. You can see that it's still good. So I just mix it up a bit, and then I'm going to sieve this and add it to the previous one already sieved. So this is our Zobo all done and ready to be mixed with the pineapple juice. So you mix this up and store in your preferred containers in the fridge or freezer and enjoy. So it's time to serve. Just have this and enjoy with your lunch or whenever you want. Enjoy with your family and friends. You can even serve this, pack it in your kids' lunch pack to school. It's so versatile and it's very affordable to make. This is one of the most affordable juice you can ever make, and it's healthier and nutritious. So you're not missing anything. So enjoy. Then to our second most preferred juice. I already soaked my dates. This is ginger and the tiger nut, that is the aya. I soaked it on until it was soft about 2 days, but I changed the water each day. So I'm going to blend this now in, I think, 2 batches. So add as much ginger as you prefer, add dates as you prefer. So since we are not going to be boiling this, I'm using pure water, at least your drinking water, to blend it. So you blend this very well. If you don't have a strong blender, you can take it to those that blend outside, but make sure that their engine is very clean. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share with your family and friends, and whoever you think this will be helpful to. Thank you so much. So you just add a bit of water to loosen it up a bit, and then you strain. Because tiger nut juice gets spoiled easily, it's either you use very cold water to sieve it, or you use, immediately you finish, you transfer it to your freezer immediately to start the chilling process. So after straining, this is what I have. This is very refreshing and I want you to give this a try. This is best served cold and it can be freezed too.